So let's start by opening up the EAMBRITEs right here, and we'll pull these right out of the box so you can see them straight away. As you can see, it comes with some instruction manuals, it looks like, and the actual tree itself comes folded over like this, so you're going to have to arrange these in the way that you like them. And before you're able to use this tree, you will have to get 3 AA batteries here. Then you have a button down here where you can turn it on for steady. You can put it on a timer, or you can just turn it off. Now here you can see I got the lights on already, and you can style this how you want. You can move all of these branches around, even the individual branches. You can see the large branches here are able to be spread out, but then on top of that, you have these smaller branches right here that you can spread out as well. So I'm just going to do my best to kind of make it a little bit uniform all the way around, but without trying too hard, because trees kind of just grow on their own, so you don't want to like force them into any certain position. Kind of make it look a little more natural just by it kind of just spreading out in a way that it wants to spread out as you kind of separate these arms a little bit. And I think that looks pretty good right there. Now I really like the texture on this tree. It really does look like real birch. It even kind of feels like it. If you've ever felt a birch tree before, it feels kind of papery, and that's what it reminds me of right here too. I like these little lights. They're nice and bright. You can see them shining beautifully, and I like how evenly distributed they are along this device here. So really cool, nice little decoration. And I've decided to pair that one up with my miniature Christmas trees over here on my high-end corner table here. And I think that looks really good. It's like a beautiful little forest there. Awesome.